And now we can move on to this last equation, where we have r equals 5 over 1 plus secant theta. So first thing I'm going to do is make that secant theta in terms of cosine. This would be 1 plus 1 over cosine theta. That's kind of small, so I'm going to make this equation a little bit larger. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that denominator of this one, multiply both sides of the equation by the value of that denominator. So we got r times 1 plus 1 over cosine theta equals 5. Then I'm going to distribute that r into that parentheses. So we get r plus r over cosine theta equals 5 still. Now we're going to multiply the entire equation by cosine theta. So we'll get r cosine theta plus r equals 5 cosine theta. Alright, and we can, in this next step, we're going to convert this, since we know this equals x, we're going to convert that to x, and we're going to subtract r from both sides of the equation, so we get 5 cosine theta minus r. Now, we're going to multiply this equation by r, so xr, sorry, let me start a new equation, xr equals 5r cosine theta minus r squared. Alright, and now we have r cosine theta equals, we already know that equals x, and r squared equals x squared plus y squared. So, since it's a minus r squared, it'll be xr equals 5x minus x squared minus y squared, because it's minus r squared. Then we are going to square both sides of this equation to get x squared r squared on this side equals 5x minus x squared minus y squared squared. And now we have r squared on this side of the equation, so we'll finally be able to convert it into all terms of x and y. So x squared times x squared plus y squared equals, and we'll just copy and paste this because we didn't change this side at all because it's already written in terms of x and y. And there you have this equation up here written in terms of x and y, or in rectangular form.